Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, hayi kwenzekile ke kwenzekile ke na hayi nomaruna nobonkona kona kwenzekile ke uIshumayeli noFistos babhizi njengama-neighbours awu babhizi ngama-neighbours abo nje futhi instead of vele ababaniki ne-chance they want the man to the man to the one thing. Ngiyabona njena uMpumi uyena nje wokushiselwa ikhanda cause manje she's worried ukuthi hawu since when uGabriel ezohamba i-weekend yonke without letting me know, without telling me ukuthi uyaphi uyenzani nini njani futhi. Manje the worst part is that I cannot even get hold of him. uMpumi is worried kodwa Wendy is worried about something else to say. I'm still trying to understand with how did Gabriel's name end up being the name that they call instead of your name. Ebile everything is yours. Ebile everything is yours. Kanjani? How is that? Mpumi is not focusing lapho. Mpumi is focusing with indoda yami. Where is the daughter? I want the daughter here now. Okay, uMaruna one time came back, and when she came back, uthola uma wanza lapha endlini, and Wendy is a bit curious to say. So kuyenzeka nje vele labantu laba, whoever is behind everything ne abe someone loku ayenzani nje just an error nje error. What do you mean? So esikhundleni sikaMpumi uGabriel's name was the one that was there instead of Mpumi and all that. Umarana was like, nah, something like that doesn't happen, Emma. Something like that doesn't happen. Only if Gabriel submitted that thing as his, that's when. But if we submit as Mpumi, igama laMpumi lapha. Hayi wena uSahimi wena. Uthini uthi kanjalo nje. Awukudi umuntu igama kuna error. Like those people are not supposed to be making any errors, so there's no error there. If Gabriel, which means everything belongs to Gabriel. Mpumi says fire by extinguisher. Makafika lapha kuGabriel azombuza ukuthi where have you been the whole weekend? I've been trying to get hold of you, blah 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 blah. Gabriel was, how many songs did you write this whole weekend? I couldn't focus. So when ngishela abo 47 mommy's calls, but music no, pen paper no, but calls yes. I sure so uphoyisa phela manje. You are no longer a girlfriend or a what. You are a policeman. Ufake imbedge la emahlombe because this I didn't even write music. You're just calling. Oh, okay. Mpum was like, no, I'm gonna go back to the thing, to the what. Kanjani mfethu? When she got home, Umaruna was there, wanting to tell her, because this thing belongs to Gabriel, not you, the royalties, the anything and everything. Kodwa Mpum was like, Umaruna, jealous. When they tried to explain, and she was like, you guys need to decide who's maybe. And na empire, na lutho njengoba so nje you should remember ukuthi you are talking to someone who is done. Yabo, so please respect me. Respect me. So Felicia came up with the idea to take Umaruna to Ghana so that he can keep them away from each other in Anobongo. Sanibonani. Sanibona. Mina angazi ngoMpumi. I feel like uMpumi manje when you should take uMpumi by fire by force amekise esibhedlela. Say but diagnose ukuthi what kind of disease or illness or what kind of rash or something that she has that needs to be evaluated, because anginosho nokuthi une-flu. This is no longer flu. This is something else. You can read someone when this person wants you in their presence. You can as a person, you can understand if this person wants you here. You can see the way they respond, the way they text you, how they pick up their calls when you call them. Like you can see, you can hear, you can sense, you can read the room as a grown up. La angifunwa la. Gabriel doesn't care, guys. Gabriel doesn't care. Nakancinci nje ngoMpumi. I don't know why Mpumi cannot see that. I don't know why everyone else can see it but not her. I don't know why everyone else can understand and articulate. Because Gabriel is not taking it as serious as Umpumi is taking it. Kodwa Umpumi, whenever you try to say she thinks that jealous is over the moon and over the forest and over the heavens. Uzomjelasela ukuthi what? I don't think Umaruna was looking at Gabriel and thinking, "Ooh, this is my next target." Would you look at Gabriel and think that maybe Gabriel is something else pale? Umaruna had Gabriel before, and Gabriel wamdlala tikumhlula. And Umpum now, she has no access to Gabriel, and she's like, no Maruna. Kanjan no Maruna, kodwa Maruna doesn't want anything to do with Gabriel. Umaruna has always loved Bongo. We all know that. Umaruna fought heaven and earth and hell and all that to get nje chance yakhe noBongo. And she did. She is happy now. She doesn't have anything to do, kodwa she's happy with having uBongo empilweni yakhe. Ke uGabriel hamba yospend weekend noFelicia. Now Mpumi uthena uMaroon, and uMaroon is trying to say, well, girl, open your eyes. This man is evil. We know that he's evil. The evil in him is eviling the evil. When you think that he will understand you, hey man, hey man, hey man, hey man, wake up. What's the Mona looks good on you. The jealousy looks very, very good on you. I don't know why you are spending so much time. And Umaruna is trying us. I feel like if it was Umpum in this situation, Umaruna, I mean, Umpum wouldn't be trying like this. But Umaruna is trying so hard.